Hey y'all, A Perot sent me this extra large metal stainless steel cat litter box for big cats. As you can see, my cat has her own situation, her own bathroom. It includes a cat mat which reduces litter tracking. The best thing ever. And assembling was definitely no problem. Look how large and amazing that is. And the metal and the stainless steel reduces the smell. Making sure that you secure both sides by pushing down on each side like that. The front part is a 30-degree angle and it helps prevent the cat litter from being kicked out the box. And the metal scooper is also designed for all kinds of cat litter. And you easily assemble right there on the side. I'm just going to throw the whole box away. Just get rid of the whole situation. Her old box, like, out with the old, in with the new. Look at the design. And voila, her new bathroom is waiting for her. Don't forget to click the link in the bio. You definitely have to get one of these. She'll love it. Okay, bye.